What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So following on from my Spigen case review that I have done, and if you haven't checked that out, check it out right here. I want to follow up. I picked up some other cases for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I am going to unbox and share with you guys. So let's get into it. We'll start with the Apple one. Let's get the big one out of the way. And when I say big one, it's because this case is 60 quid. 60 quid. So last year when I bought the 12 Pro Max, I did buy the Apple silicone case for the Pro Max. And I'll be honest, I didn't really use it because of just how grubby and how everything sticks to it. And yeah, I was really disappointed with it, to be honest. So it literally just sat in a box for 60 quid. Anyway, this looks to be quite marked up. Not sure how well that shows on camera, but you can see there's a lot of marks on it. I haven't even had this thing out of the box yet. Doesn't fill me full of confidence. I'll be honest, I picked this case up just to be different, simply because I don't really like leather on a case, if I'm being truthfully honest. It's not really my cup of tea. It's got the same sort of suede inside that's well known for an Apple case, and the leather, I mean the leather feels okay. It's just not me, if I'm being honest. What do you think? It's crazy expensive. So we'll just take the Spigen off. And we'll just pop the iPhone in there. Bing. That's one thing you do get. You get the MagSafe sort of ding and notifications with it. And there we go. So, I mean, yeah, the case is very slim. I do notice, compared to the silicone case last year, I do notice that there definitely is a slightly higher lip on the case, which I kind of like, if I'm being honest, because I thought the silicone case didn't have much of a lip. It sort of worried me anytime that I did use it. I think that was maybe one of the deciding factors for me not really using it, because it just wasn't, I just didn't feel like it was very protective, to be honest. But yeah, that's it there. You can see there, you can see the sort of raised lip, hopefully, which is, it's definitely, it's not, there's not much in it, if I'm being honest, but there is definitely an improvement there from last year. Yeah, am I going to keep it? I'll be honest, probably not. It's not my cup of tea. I don't really like leather on a phone. Just me. Going to the next MagSafe case then, we got the Otterbox. So the Otterbox, I had this as well for the 12 Pro Max last year, and I really liked it. There's a mark on that one as well. What is going on here? I bought these cases in the Apple store. Marks all over them. Anyway, so I bought this case last year and I really liked it. Just judging by what I see on this, they've made a change to it, and I don't really like it, and I'll tell you why. This was the same version of this case that I got last year for the 12 Pro Max. It's quite minimalistic on the side, which I really liked. And then the MagSafe was on the inside, you know, which I really liked. And, you know, good rubber bumper on the side, nice raised edges. It's great. Looking at this one, even just through the case, just through the box, it's different. I don't think it's different in a positive way, if I'm being honest. If I compare the two from last year, the back on the 12 Pro Max case was a lot more textured and rugged, if you want to say, which meant, in my mind, it was always going to be, it's going to hold up better, really. This one this year is a smooth plastic. Now, it's like a matte finish, or maybe not a matte finish, it's more like maybe a satin finish, but it's smooth, which is going to scratch up like a mofo. But they've added this ring to the outside of the case, and I don't see the purpose in it whatsoever, because these are both MagSafe cases. So as you can see on the inside, the MagSafe is on the inside of the case, but I just don't see the need, and this case has clearly been used as well, which I'm quite annoyed about. Let's stick the phone in it right now. Let's see. So yeah, good fit. The rubber bumpers, I will say, the rubber bumpers on this case do add a little bit of extra width to it, which does make it quite wide, and maybe not the easiest thing to hold. Yeah, even just feeling the back of that, I'm not really sure I like that, if I'm being honest. You know, this one was grippy, and this one just isn't. I'm really disappointed, because I really was looking forward to this case. That's a shame, you know. Oh well, we'll move on to this. The Ornarto. Now, a lot of people have really recommended this case to me. Simply put, because I used to love the Apple silicone cases. I really did. I stopped using them for two reasons. One, the price of them. They're just, for a MagSafe case, like I've said previous, they are far too expensive. They are 60 quid for a case, and it's absolutely ridiculous. And two, I feel like they've changed the silicone on the finish of the cases, and I don't remember them ever being as sticky and as grubby as what they are. So again, maybe that's just me, maybe that's just a silicone finish thing, but the way I look at it is you can definitely get a good quality silicone case for a lot less money, and this one fits the bill. Now, I will say, the only thing about this case isn't MagSafe, which is a wee bit disappointing, but if I'm being truthfully honest, I would gladly pay like an extra tenner for this case to be MagSafe, because I think this case, I picked this up on Amazon for about 12 quid, which isn't bad when you consider the price of an Apple silicone case. Nice little card there saying thank you for choosing our product, etc, etc. Oh, look at that, nice wee installation guide, just in case you don't know how to stick a phone on a case. That's nice. First impressions. Oh, it's all like suede inside. Tick. Love it. Yeah, I like that. And yeah, it's... Do you know what? The quality of that is... I'd nearly say that's a bit better than the Apple one, if I'm being honest. That's really good. Interesting. Oh, wow. That's a really good fit. Look at that, guys. How clean and minimalistic is that? That's so good. And look at the lip. You don't get that on an Apple silicone case, let me tell you. They have raised the lips on their 13 series cases, but not as much as this. That's a massive difference. That's really good. I love that. It's just a shame it's not MagSafe. Oh, here, Ornarto. If for some reason that you're going to watch this video, make a MagSafe version of this. That's so good. Oh man, that's a real shame. That's an awesome case. It fits so good. If you're not bothered about MagSafe and you want a good silicone case, definitely pick this up, because that is phenomenal. That is a really good case, and it is cheap. I'm so impressed with that. Top marks, love it. On to my yearly quad lock. Now, I know I have said in multiple videos that I primarily use MagSafe, and I do primarily use MagSafe. However, I do a lot of shooting on my phone as well as my camera that I'm using here now. And when I do my overhead shots, I'm actually using my phone and I'm using a quad lock case. Hello! And look, there we go. So that's the quad lock tripod mount, and then that's the 12 Pro Max that's in the quad lock case. Obviously I haven't had quad lock case for my 13 yet, so I've still been hanging on to the 12 Pro Max and I've been doing recording with it. So I'm buzzing to get this. Quad locks don't disappoint. For years, I've used quad lock religiously. For years I used their bike mount, I used their car mount, and obviously I'm using the tripod mount as well. But I will say, like, every year I always order a quad lock case before I order my phone. That's the way I've always been, and this again doesn't disappoint. Look at that. Lovely. As you can see, suede lined again on the inside. Lovely touch, and these bumpers are solid. They offer a good lip over the screen. Yeah, can't fault it. Flawless. Oh man, and it's a really good feeling case as well. It really does. It feels awesome in the hand. Now, yeah, there is a noticeable little bump for the quad lock mechanism, but to be honest, you don't really notice it. And you can get, I've seen on their website, you can get the little rings. I know people are sort of big into those rings, ring holders, and you can get a quad lock one that'll go into the case and then you can hold it with a ring. Not my bag personally, but it's pretty cool. I would actually love it if quad lock, and if for some reason as well, quad lock, if you're watching this video, make a MagSafe mount, quad lock MagSafe mount. That'd be awesome. That would be so cool, and it would be so simple. Just a little beep beep, bosh, ding. Do it, make it happen. There we go, guys. That is my case haul for the 13 Pro Max. So yeah, never disappoints. Always got a quad lock. That's my case haul for the 13 Pro Max. I'll be honest, there's a couple of real disappointments here in that list, if I'm being truthfully honest. I love, as always, I love my quad lock case, and I would never ever not order a quad lock. I am quite impressed. I know I did it in a previous video, but I was quite impressed with the Spigen. It was quite a good case, and it's MagSafe, so that's a tick for me. The Apple one, no. For what it is, it's far too expensive. It really is, and I was really disappointed to take this out of the box and see that it was actually marked as well. So yeah, I'm not happy about that at all. So that one's in the notepad for me. And then the Ornarto, a fantastic case and fantastic value for money. It really is. It's clean, and the silicone finish definitely doesn't pick up as much fingerprints and stuff as the Apple one does, for sure. That's definite. So I really like that. It's just a shame it's not MagSafe for me. So, but Ornarto, if you make a MagSafe version, I'm all in. And then the Otterbox, again, coincidentally, this is another case that come from Apple. MagSafe version, good fit of a case, good protection of the case, but I just don't see the point in this ring. I just don't. It just doesn't make any sense to me at all. I think it looks stupid. And the finish, the finish isn't as grippy. So I'll be honest, this one's a no, which is really disappointing. Guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button for me. Really appreciate it. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I have a lot more videos dropping, so keep it locked to the channel for those dropping. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.